Well, now to our continuing coverage. Record rain in Middle Tennessee leads to historic flooding for the area. And right now, a search effort is underway to find 25 missing people.
22 lives have been lost so far, and the impact of the damage left behind is being seen in 4 counties there.
ABC's Elwyn Lopez gives a closer look at what local authorities and residents are dealing with right now in Waverly.
Just to show you how powerful these waters were, these cars and buildings, some of them came from blocks away. The rushing water slamming them together, pinning them against this bridge. The community here devastated after receiving more than 17 inches of rain in about 24 hours. Now, they say that flooding is to be expected in this area, but nothing like this has been seen before, according to some of the residents here. Now, we spoke to one neighbor who said that he was able to pull a couple from a home just 30 minutes later. They saw their house wash away before their eyes, and now the community is picking up the pieces. People are still missing, and that tough search for survivors picks back up again this morning. Elwyn Lopez, ABC News, Waverly, Tennessee.
And many rescues were caught on camera, and many are telling stories of people yelling for help on rooftops. Flash floods can be one of the deadliest events weather-wise, and as it is quick and can happen in a matter of minutes. Some volunteers with the Red Cross say this event in Waverly was one of the worst they've seen.
Comparing this disaster to some of the others that we've had in the Tennessee region, which we respond to routinely to tornadoes, to floods, to ice storms, this one's pretty bad. It's pretty significant with the loss of life, obviously, and with the displacement, with so many people being affected and their homes being displaced.
Right now, several agencies are collecting donations, money, clothes, and all sorts of necessary items for flood victims. The Tennessee Emergency Response Fund is accepting donations, and the American Red Cross has also set up a Flood in Tennessee online resource. For more information on how you can help, head to WATE.com.